Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtges, and in this video I want to give you another cool example where the vocal melody or the riff was used as a solo. You probably know this song. And the solo for that song is played like this, for example. You get the idea. I mean, in this case, it's not note for note the same, but it's very inspired by the riff. The solo is really close to the riff. And of course, it's played at a different spot of the guitar, but we can use our major scale we just learned in the video series here. We use the G major scale. The cool thing is, we will only use the notes on the E and B string. We have one additional note here which you can adapt from the low E string, where we play also in the 5th fret here, the 3rd and 5th fret of the E string. We also do that on the high E string here for that solo. But it's the vocabulary of the G major scale here in this case. So we start in the 5th fret of the B string. We play that twice. After the first time, we stop the string for just a second. And then we play it again. Then we go into the 3rd fret of the E string, so we have 5, 5, 3, and then back to the B string on the 5th and then the 3rd fret, so it's 5, stop, 5, 3, 5, 3, again, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, and use pinky and middle finger, please, just a thing of developing your technique for especially the pinky. So 5, 5, 3, 5, 3. And then we go to 3 again on the E string and 2nd fret. So it's 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 2. Let's repeat it. 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3. This is the first part. The second part is 5, 5, 3, and then 5th fret E string and 3rd fret E string. 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, and again 3, 5, 3, and then 2nd fret E string. So 5 on the B string, 5th fret on the B string, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, sorry, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2. This is the second part. And let's combine both parts. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, and again 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2. That way you can use your scale and see actually what you can do with that scale you just learned, or maybe have learned already quite a time ago and never knew how to use that scale for a solo. And that way you can also play around with that scale and say, okay, maybe it's a good idea to play that scale for me. That's a technique too, to do that. Maybe just sing along while you play that scale. Doesn't matter if you're not a singer or whatever, you think it sounds crappy. It's about getting a feeling for singing and playing a scale at the same time, and that way you could just sing and then play a solo. If you say, okay, you could do ba da 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 da, and use the notes you already have in your fingers combined with the voice you have. You try to find melodies, easy stuff, 2 or 3 or 4 notes, whatever. You just say ba, 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 da, da, da. For example, you get the idea. It's about just using the stuff you already have in your hands combined with beautiful melodies. Makes such cool improvements for your technique and for your hearing and for your solo playing in that very case. So thanks for tuning in and have fun with playing solos that are based on famous riffs and melodies. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. Bye.